Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Today is day number 2 of learning Firm Foundation by Cody Carnes. Yesterday we learned the chorus, so that was part 1. Today we're going to learn the verse and the bridge, okay? And then tomorrow we're going to do a walkthrough, and then finally at the last tutorial, so part 4, we're going to sign with the music. Okay, a reminder that I am left-handed. It means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. You can find a link to print out the lyrics in the description of this video. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so I've still got joy in chaos. You know what? I don't have a whole lot of joy in the chaos I'm currently feeling, but I want to work towards joy in chaos. So I have, so kind of coming in here to your shoulder, your collarbone, hands bent. I have joy, okay, happiness, joy, and then in chaos, it's, remember storm is like this? Chaos is kind of like this. Chaos, okay? Chaos. So I have joy in chaos. I have peace. One hand forward, the other hand on the back. You're going to flip them, and then you're going to come out nice and smooth. Okay, so I have peace that makes no sense. So makes and then no sense. Shake your head. None of it. Okay, it makes no sense. So I won't be going under. I won't. Okay, that A that we learned yesterday, throwing it over your shoulder. I won't. Can go going down. You can do that. I won't stumble. I won't fail. You can choose whatever you would like there. So I'm probably going to do, just because it's symbolic, I won't go deep. I won't go fail, or you know what? I won't stumble. I don't know. We'll see which way I go. Maybe I'll go, I won't stumble. Because I'm not held by my own strength. So I not, okay, out from your chin, not. I'm not standing with my strength, okay? So I'm not standing with my strength. I'm not standing by my strength, okay? From the top, I have joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense. I won't be going under. I won't be stumbling. I'm not standing by my strength, okay? Because I built my life on Jesus. So and then built, okay? It's like this, built. Built. So I've built my life, L's, down to your stomach, up to your ribs, my life on Jesus. He's never let me down. We learned that yesterday, right? He will never let go of me. He's faithful in every season. So this is just a little different because yesterday it was through every generation. So he is faithful through every season, okay? Every, we learned that yesterday as well. And then season, you're going to take your non-dominant hand like this. Then you're going to have a fist, season. Okay? It's almost like a clock. Okay? Season, through every season. And then that same question, will he fail now? Will he fail now? Question. He won't. He won't. Okay, let's practice that before moving on to the bridge, okay? So I have got joy in chaos, okay? I have peace that makes no sense. So I won't be going under. I did stumble there. I won't stumble. I'm not held by my own strength. So I'm not standing by my strength. Because I've built my life on Jesus. My life on Jesus. He'll never let me down. He'll never let go of me. He's faithful through every season. So will he fail now? He won't. He won't. And then there's another line that he won't fail. So for fail is a V, kind of across with your dominant hand across your non-dominant hand. He won't fail. Okay, this is a great, great bridge, guys. I love it. Okay, so rain. We're going to show rain. And you know what? This isn't just a little sprinkling of rain, right? Gosh, this is like torrential downpour. You're getting soaked and it's not fun rain, okay? Rain came, wind. Okay, feel free to make that facial expression. It makes your sign so much stronger. Wind blew, okay? So wind is blowing stuff. So the rain came, wind blew, but I'm going to actually sign but there, but my house was built on you. I'm safe. Okay, so you're making S's. So now previously with won't, remember you made A's. So your thumb was up here. Now you're making S's across your fingers. Safe. With fists together, you. And then I'm going to make it through. You're going to say, I will live. Okay, live and survive is the same sign. Live. Sometimes remember you'll see it like this. Okay, with thumbs up. I've always done it with L's. Both are acceptable. Okay, let's just do the bridge. Okay, so rain came, wind blew, but my house was built on you. I'm safe with you. I'm gonna make it through. Okay, again. So rain came, wind blew, but my house was built on you. Okay, I'm safe with you. I'm going to make it through. Okay, I'm going to live. Let's put those two parts together. Okay, so we're going to learn that verse and then put it with the bridge. So I've got joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense. So I won't be going under. I'm not held, so I did stand by my own strength. I'm not standing by my strength, okay? Because I've built my life on Jesus. He will never let me down. He's faithful in every season. So will he fail now? He won't. He won't. He won't fail. He won't fail. Okay, and then that bridge, the rain came and wind blew, but my house was built on you. I'm safe with you. I'm going to make it through. I'm going to live. Okay, and that repeats. The rain came, wind blew, but my house was built on you. I'm safe with you. I'm going to make it through. Okay? And now we've learned everything that we need for this song. So practice this video as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video where we're going to walk through the whole song top to bottom. Okay, bye.